Welcome back to another video. This is my beautiful client. She is getting ready for her bridal shower, and so she decided to book her bridal trial the same day. I just wanted to tell you guys that all the products will be linked at the bottom, and they are also mentioned on the screen. I'm not going to talk you through it. For those who get it. You can literally pause to be able to capture, screenshot, and all the things. But I just want to say thank you guys for all the love and support you guys have been showing me, not only here on YouTube, but also on my beauty account on Instagram and on my TikTok. I really enjoy recording my clients and then uploading them for educational purposes for the girls who like watching makeup tutorials. So thank you so much. One thing I would love to share with you guys when it comes to being a makeup artist, especially a master makeup artist and educator, I am continuously learning as I go, and so I really do appreciate all the comments. I appreciate the DMs and all the conversations I'm having on the sidebar. You guys help encourage me and challenge me to be better as an artist and as an educator. So I really do appreciate you guys, and I want to give you guys my love and the flowers that you deserve here on the social media world and the internet. I don't claim to be the best. I know I'm really good at what I do. I trust the process. Half the time I'm honestly praying and interceding and asking the Lord to guide my hands, because sometimes even with the right techniques and with the right products, things sometimes get out of hand and things sometimes don't do what they need to do. But I'm always grateful to be able to do this. So for any beginning artist who is watching my videos and are learning from my videos, I just want to encourage you that one, God has you. Give your business over to the Lord. Trust that He will provide you with wisdom, insight, strategy, all the things that you need for your business. But not only that, but trust that you have the artistic ability to do what you have set out to do according to His will and His plans for you. I love that I get to do makeup because I honestly feel like this is something that attracts women to me and my platform, so that way I can share the gospel. And honestly, there's a lot of Bible babies that book me because I am a woman of God, and they can sit in my chair and feel His presence and feel His peace. And it honestly makes my heart so overwhelmed with joy to know that I get to experience you guys. You are His daughters, and that will never, ever, ever get old for me, whether it's me teaching or whether it's me doing makeup for a corporate girly or a bride-to-be. Whatever the case is, it always brings me so much joy. And so for the girls who are just starting off in the makeup career, practice. Get your friends, hire models, create a booking service for models to book, so that way you could still create income for yourself. I have a lot of different ways that I would love to help you in your beauty career. If you're looking to really monetize and take back and reclaim your time so that way you can get more done as a beautician, please don't hesitate to click the link below. I love sharing. I am not a gatekeeper. I'm a girl's girl. I'm rooting for you. I personally don't want to do everybody's makeup. I want to be able to teach women how to do their own makeup and teach artists how to do more faces in less time, but without sacrificing quality. So I love you guys. Thank you for joining. I hope you guys are enjoying this glam. If you have any comments, if you want to recommend a look for me, you can always send a comment down below or DM me. I love all things beauty. I love all things God girly. So yeah, don't you ever let anyone dim your light, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.
Ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yum.